Hello everyone, a very good morning to all of you. How are you? I hope you all are fine and enjoying my classes. Let's start our today's session. Do you know what we are going to learn today? Today we are going to learn a new topic. I love colors. Now students, open your book I Can Achiever 4. Open page number 64 and 65. I love colors. Students, here we read the colors name. BL blur, ACK black, CR sir, AYONS crayons, BR br, USH brush, ORANG orange, PAIANT paint, RED red, YELLOW yellow, GR double EN green, VIOLET violet. Here students, you see 5 palm prints which are in violet color, blue color, red color, yellow color and green color. A brother and sister sitting along and make her palm print with yellow watercolor. BLUE blue. Now students, open page number 68 and 69. Here students, you join the dots and color the pictures using the color code. Draw some raindrops also. R, RED red, B, BLUE blue, G, GREEN green, Y, YELLOW yellow, WHITE white, BL blur, BLACK black. Here student, firstly you trace the pic of a girl and a boy and grass. You join the every dot. After that you color the picture. Like here is written letter B, so write, so fill color black. Now here is write letter W. The sign of W is white, so write here color white. Next word is written in G, so So fill here green color. Here students write B. You fill blue color. You fill yellow color in shirt and blue color in shorts. You make a grass of G, green color. You fill green color also here. BL blur. So fill black color in her shoes. B. Here and here write letter B. So fill color blue to make a water. Here students, you also fill the colors which give the sign. W means you fill white color. Here you also fill white color. BL blur. You fill here black color. You fill red color in shirt and yellow color in pant. You also fill blue color for making water here, and you make leaves and fill color green in leaves. Speak after me students. VIOLET. Violet. PINK. Pink. GREY. Grey. ORANGE. Orange. So write here bib. Firstly you trace, after that you write here bib. Next word is BIN, bin. So firstly you trace bin here, and after that you write here bin. Third word is pin. PIN, pin. Firstly you trace word pin, after that you write word pin here. Book I Can Achiever phonic booklet. Open page number 9. Here students, you will read the BL blur words and write here BLACK, black. BL blur, ANKET, blanket. BL blur, INK, blink. BL blur, OCK, block. BL blur, OOM, bloom. BL blur, OW, blow. BL blur, OD, blood. BLOSSOM, blossom. BLUE, blue. BL blur, USH, blush. After reading, students, you practice writing them. Now students, open page number 15. Here students, you will read BR words. BR branch. BREAD bread. BREAK break. BRICK brick. BROOM broom. BROTHER brother. BROWN brown. BRUSH brush. Now students, open page number 16. Here students, you read words and write here. CRABE crab. CRACKER cracker. CRANE crane. CRAYONS crayons. CREAM cream. CROW crow. CROWN crown. CRY cry. After that students, you read GR words. Speak after me. GRAND grand. GRAPES grapes. GRASS grass. GREEN green. GREY grey. CER grocer. Repeat again. GROCER grocer. GROW grow. Students, you practice writing here these words. Now students, let's do an activity of add. This is the sign of add. 1 plus 1 is 2. Very good. Now tell me 2 plus 1 is 3. Very good. Three plus 2?
Ma'am, 5.
Very good. Now tell me 5 plus 4?
Ma'am, 6, 7, 8, 9. Ma'am, 9.
Very good. Now tell me 9 plus 1?
10.
10.
1, 0, 10.
Very good. If your clothes have any red, if your clothes have any red, put your finger on your head, put your finger on your head. If your cloth have any blue, if your cloth have any blue, if your cloth have any blue, put your finger on your shoe, put your finger on your shoe. If your cloth have any yellow, if your cloth have any yellow, smile like a happy fellow, smile like a happy fellow. If your clothes have brown, if your clothes have any brown, if your clothes have any brown, turn your smile into a frown. Turn your smile into a frown. If your clothes have any black, if your clothes have any black, tap your neighbors on the back. Tap your neighbors on the back. If your clothes have any red, if your clothes have any red. I hope you have enjoyed the story. Now students, sit in a circle with your family and discuss the things what you have done since morning. I will come up with many more new videos. Stay in touch, children. Do your work. Play indoor games for your safety. Happy learning, kids. Stay at home. Stay safe. Take care of yourself. Thank you.